With the anime enhancer of the UniConverter, you can enhance the clarity and quality of animation visuals. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process. The anime enhancement is a new feature in the latest update of the UniConverter. Therefore, you'll have to download the update in order to get access to it. But as a new user now, you can get 500 AI credits with a 7-day free trial to be able to try out the AI features. The promotion is only available in English, however, but you'll find more information in the description. Now, apart from old and low quality anime videos, this tool can be used to enhance AI-generated animations that are very often low in quality. The thing is, free AI generators usually only allow you to generate images and videos in a low quality because of the high demand these tools get. But with the anime enhancer, you can turn these, for example, 720p animations into 4K ones. So as the first step, open up the UniConverter and click on the Video Enhancer AI feature. The Video Enhancer AI now supports batch processing, so you can work with up to 20 clips simultaneously. Then import your video clips. Now moving forward, click on the anime enhancement. Here you can choose to leave it in the original resolution or give it a 2x or 4x super resolution. Super resolution means upscaling the videos while enhancing clarity. Now, since I have a 720p clip here, I'm gonna choose 4x, but once you have chosen your setting, choose your output location down here. And finally, click on Export All. You'll see the progress bar and the estimated time left on the clips down here, and once they're done, they'll be labeled with successful. Now this feature makes it possible for you to optimize and restore old anime videos for higher resolution screens, for example, and avoid pixelation. And also, like I mentioned before, enhancing the quality of AI animations or animations you made out of GIFs, etc. But that's it about the anime enhancer. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Should you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And don't forget about the promotion. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.